In the hustle and bustle of daily life, small improvements can have a massive impact. Life hacks are those ingenious tricks or methods that save time, energy, and even money. In this article, we explore 10 life hacks designed to make your day easier. Let's dive into these simple yet transformative ideas. 1. Simplify your morning routine. Mornings can be chaotic, but a few hacks can streamline the process. Lay out clothes the night before. Choose your outfit before bed to avoid morning indecision. This habit saves time and reduces stress. Prepare breakfast in advance. Try overnight oats or pre-cut fruits for a quick, nutritious start to your day. Use a bathroom caddy. Keep all your toiletries organized in one place to make grooming more efficient. By prepping ahead, you can transform your mornings from rushed to relaxed. 2. Turn your phone into a productivity machine. Smartphones are often seen as distractions, but with the right approach, they can boost productivity. Organize apps. Place work-related apps on the home screen and group entertainment apps in a separate folder. Set timers for tasks. Use the Pomodoro technique by setting a 25-minute timer for focused work, followed by a 5-minute break. Enable Do Not Disturb mode. Block non-urgent notifications during critical tasks to maintain focus. These tweaks ensure your phone works for you, not against you. 3. Master kitchen efficiency. Cooking can be time-consuming, but these hacks make it easier. Use ice cube trays for herbs, chop fresh herbs, mix with olive oil, and freeze in trays for quick seasoning. Sharpen knives. Regularly, a sharp knife cuts faster and safer. Clean as you cook. Avoid post-meal mess by washing utensils and clearing counters as you go. A more organized kitchen leads to faster, stress-free meal prep. 4. Organize your space. Like a pro clutter can sap your energy. Tidy spaces promote calm and efficiency. The one in, one out rule. For every new item you bring into your home, donate or discard an old one. Label storage containers. Clear labeling makes finding and returning items a breeze. Use vertical space. Install shelves or hooks to maximize storage in small areas. An organized environment allows for a clearer mind. 5. Save money with DIY solutions. Why spend more when you can save with simple tricks? Homemade cleaning products. Mix vinegar, water, and baking soda for an all-purpose cleaner. Repurpose jars. Use old jars for storage or as vases. Fix minor repairs. Yourself, learn the basic DIY skills to handle small home fixes without calling a professional. These money-saving hacks also add a sense of accomplishment. 6. Use technology to stay organized. Leverage apps and digital tools for a more organized life. To-do list apps, tools like To-Do-List or Microsoft. To-Do help track tasks and deadlines. Digital calendars sync appointments across devices to never miss a meeting. Photo scanning apps digitize important documents and photos to reduce paper clutter. Technology, when used wisely, simplifies and organizes life. Conclusion: life hacks are more than just tricks. They're tools for simplifying and enhancing your daily routine. Whether it's organizing your space, streamlining your mornings, or boosting productivity, these hacks are easy to implement and have the power to make life significantly easier. Try incorporating a few into your day. You'll wonder how you ever managed without them.